Hey guys, I'm Mavio, R&D Director of an AI company. So glad to participate in the workshop held during EMC the AI Hackathon. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use EMC developer tools so that you can get familiar with it and may help you to create your own great apps during the hackathon. This is the agenda of this workshop. It will be introduced in 4 chapters. Contains a brief introduction to EMC Hub, API calls, JavaSpot, and JavaSpot SDK, which is available for the hackathon. Okay, let's move on to the EMC Hub. The entire EMC ecosystem is divided into 4 layers. From the bottom up for the protocol layer, network layer, application layer, and asset layer. EMC Hub is the third layer. It is an application market built on the EMC network. Besides, the AI model repositories and the computing power are integrated onto it, allowing developers to upload their own model images and deploy them onto the decentralized computing power nodes of EMC. EMC Hub provides AI capabilities in the form of API. So how can we call the APIs provided by the EMC Hub? In general, we can do this in 4 steps. Sign in to the EMC Hub, get enough credits, acquire the app ID and the app secret, and then you can make API calls with app ID and app secret. Now let's take a look at how to sign into EMC Hub. Visit the homepage of EMC Hub, then click the sign in button in the top right corner and authorize sign in with your Google account. You should see your Google account username if everything goes well. If you want to change your nickname and description, you can do so through the profile page. After signing in, let's check our wallet. The account balance information will be displayed on the wallet page, showing your available credits. Every time when you call the API, a certain number of credits are consumed. So before calling the API, we need to make sure that there are enough credits in the account. If you run out of credits, you can recharge with EMC tokens. On the API keys page, you can see your app ID and app secret, which are important credentials for making the API calls. Please keep them properly and do not share them with others. Once you obtain the app ID and the app secret, you can make API calls according to the API guide document. If you are a Marvel fan, you must know Jarvis. With the rapid development of AI technology, real-life Jarvis is getting closer to us. JavaSpot is a simple platform built on EMC Hub. It helps users to create AI-powered robots that act as personal assistants for each person. The current version of JavaSpot has 3 main capabilities: QA, knowledge-based QA, and image generation. The brain of JavaSpot is composed of various services built by large language models running on the EMC network. EMC is bringing more AI models online, and JavaSpot will unlock more functions as well. Please keep an eye on it. Similar to EMC Hub, you can use a Google account and sign into it. It also shares login status with EMC Hub, which means you can directly sign in with your EMC Hub account. JavaSpot provides a chat dialog. Type some text into the text box and send. JavaSpot will respond in seconds. If you want to learn more about the QA and knowledge-based QA features, please check out the JavaSpot document page. If you want some help on image creation, type a message that starts with text to image, followed by a few prompt words, and send it. JavaSpot will respond with 4 images according to your request. One of the application scenarios for JavaSpot is to introduce it into Discord or Telegram as an automated service bot. If you are interested in it, you can also refer to the JavaSpot document and try it out. In order to facilitate the development during Hackathon, JavaSpot provides the SDK support of Python language, which is encapsulated based on the EMC Hub native API requests, providing developers with APIs for 4 functions: chart compilation, image generation, speech-to-text, and text-to-speech. Developers do not have to be concerned about the credits. Just make sure that your app ID and app secret are correctly set according to the requested format. You can find the SDK page from Python package index and install it via command pip install JavaSpot Python. After installing the SDK package, following the steps in the SDK document to invoke the functions. Obtain your app ID and app secret on the EMC Hub. Concatenate them with : and replace your API key with the concatenated string. Then you should be able to call the function normally and get the corresponding return. You just need to change the parameters which are highlighted in the image and leave the other parameters unchanged. For chart completion in function, change the content to your own question. For image generation function, change the prompt and the image save path. For speech-to-text function, change the speech file path and your input text. And finally, text-to-speech function, change the speech file to your own MP3 file path. In addition to the capabilities provided by JavaSpot, if you want to deploy your own AI model and make API calls, EMC can also provide computing resources, which will be covered in another workshop by EMC core contributors Ryan. Don't miss it. Hope you guys participate in the hackathon, experience the DAI and DPIN provided by EMC, and win rich rewards. You can find out about EMC on social media and reach us directly through Discord and Telegram. Thank you.